Hi guys. So I've just checked in to this amazing resort, the QT on the Gold Coast, with my family. We're having a little mini break, and I love the QT hotels, all of them in fact, because they each have a little flavour of whatever city they're in. So the Gold Coast QT is very fun and lively and bright, and lots of bright pops of colour everywhere. And the whole QT chain are very Australian. They're very quintessentially Australian. So this is very beachy. Love the rooms. I mean, it's a high-rise ride and surfers paradise. So the views are incredible. It's really got a great pool for the kids. Really nice food. Really great spa. So love coming here, and I thought I would do a little video about some of the best summer beauty buys that have come across my desk lately. There's quite a few products. I'll try and go very quickly. So the first one, we'll start with Tropez. Love the fake tan. They do a beautiful color. This is Gradual Tan plus Sculpt and Glow. So I had a spray tan before I left Sydney, and when I go on holiday I like to take a Gradual Tanner with me because it means I can top it up as I go. I'm not going to mess it up because Gradual Tan, because it's only got a little bit of DHA in it, dehydroxyacetone, you're not going to mess it up and get stripes. You just gradually build on it every day. Another great product I'm loving at the moment is Salt by Hendrix. This is a lovely little Aussie label. Cocoa Soak in pomegranate, and it's like the most incredible fragrance, and they're basically salts for your bath, but it's got coconut milk powder in it, Dead Sea salt, and this gorgeous pomegranate juice powder with aloe vera as well. So it's just really summery, beautiful way to have a bath in summer. Next up, we've got the Luma Cosmetics Beach Beauty Body Oil. Love a body oil in summer. It's so nice after the beach when your skin is all salty and you've had a beautiful bath or shower. Spray it on all over, and it just helps repair any of the moisture loss that you've had by being in the sun. And I just love the smell. Another great product post-beach is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc all over body spray. This smells like summer. I don't know what's in it. I think it's got notes of sunscreen in it, if that makes sense, and maybe something pineapple-y, coconutty, I don't know. It's delicious. It's just like a nice all-over body spray. Another wonderful product post-beach, before bed, or even in the morning before you're going out, is this Reid Gradual Tan H2O Tan Mist. It's a facial mist. It's actually based on rose water, and it's got the DHA tanning ingredient, dehydroxyacetone. So you just mist it on. I love that you can kind of put it on and then put your moisturizer on 10 minutes later, or your sunscreen, and it just gives you a little bit more glow on your skin, like a fake tan, but it's very minimal amount, so you're not, again, going to mess it up, and it's not scary, because I find putting fake tan on your face can be quite scary. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, so this is a nice, easy way to do that. What haven't I done? Sunscreens. So these are the latest two that came across my desk that I've been trying out. Bondi Sands. This is the most incredible fragrance. It's coconut, and it's a spray. I love using it on the kids because it's really hard to get sunscreen on kids. They're wriggly and they hate it. So you just spritz, spritz, spritz and rub, rub, rub. And it's very lightweight, and it really smells great. This other one is Dermalogica. Dermalogica make great sunscreens. I've always loved their sunscreens. This one's Protection 50 Sport. It is a little bit thicker when you rub it on, so you do need to rub a little bit more. It's really good for when you know that you're going to be out in the sun for a long time, sweating, getting hot, doing exercise. So I probably would use this more if I'm going for a jog in the morning or something, rather than on the sand at the beach with the kids, because the sand can stick to it and things. Hair products. It's all about that beachy texture that I'm trying to rock right now. My hair's useless. I find it really hard to keep a wave in it, but I'm really loving these two products. This is French Girl Organics Sea Spray with jasmine and neroli. I mean, how delicious. How nice to have a hair product that A, looks so gorgeous, is such a cute little bottle, smells amazing, and yeah, I'm just really enjoying using that. And then Orbe can do no wrong in my eyes. This is such a great hair brand. I mean, the packaging alone is just ridiculous, but this is a dry powder spray. So you just, lift your hair and spray it right into the roots. A great tip that my hairstylist Joel Wallbank told me the other day, he's at Edwards & Co, is rather than just using it in the roots, actually use it in the lengths after you've done your tonging, and that will help hold the curl. So that was a really good tip. I think I've covered everything. So that's it. These are just some of the amazing products that are on the market at the moment for summer, and they're definitely worth trying. So hope you enjoy and have a beautiful summer.